BMW said the M2 would be smaller and safer. Instead, they built a monster. The 2026 BMW M2 demonstrates that compact performance vehicles continue to thrive in the automotive landscape. In a rapidly electrifying world, BMW's smallest full-M car stands out as a testament to analog engineering, showcasing an aggressive design and an abiding dedication to delivering driving excitement. In 2026, the M2 undergoes nuanced enhancements that refine its character while maintaining the elements that enthusiasts appreciate. The 2026 M2 presents a striking and robust appearance. The broad fenders, angular proportions, and assertive stance contribute to its competitive appearance. The front of the vehicle showcases BMW's contemporary kidney grille, complemented by precise LED headlights. At the rear, quad exhaust tips and a sculpted diffuser suggest a focus on high performance. The design may evoke differing opinions, yet it undeniably presents a purposeful and assertive aesthetic. The 2026 BMW M2 features a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, S58, delivering around 473 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque. Power is directed to the rear wheels, maintaining the essence of M tradition. Customers have the option to select a 6-speed manual transmission for enhanced driver involvement or an 8-speed M-Steptronic automatic for more rapid shifts and improved acceleration. The M2 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 3.8 seconds, achieving a maximum speed of up to 177 miles per hour when fitted with the optional M Drivers package. The chassis is the area where the M2 excels significantly. The vehicle features adaptive M suspension, an active M differential, and an optimal weight distribution, resulting in exceptional stability during cornering. The steering is precise, the braking instills confidence, and the overall driving experience is exhilarating, exacting, and authentic, truly embodying the essence of an M car. The 2026 M2 seamlessly integrates contemporary technology with a distinct motorsport essence. The cabin is equipped with BMW's curved digital display, showcasing the latest iDrive system, M-specific graphics, carbon fiber trim, and sports seats that offer deep bolstering. Alcantara, leather, and high-quality materials enhance the interior while maintaining a driver-centric focus. In the United States, the anticipated pricing for the 2026 BMW M2 is projected to commence at approximately $65,000, with fully equipped models nearing $72,000. The M2 stands out as one of the most valuable performance cars available, thanks to its exceptional performance, heritage, and exhilarating driving experience. The 2026 BMW M2 exemplifies speed and serves as a testament to the enduring significance of authentic driver's cars.